Other ways is to affiliate working. Whether you have a website or are still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also look into affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with brands and business within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service unique to that produce or serving using a unique affiliate code you receive when you sign up for the particular affiliate program. From there, you will make money anytime something buys a product or service through your link. Generally speaking, you will want to partner with affiliates that are related to your blog concept. Since I am a financial advisor, I have focused a lot of my affiliate energy and on financial products like saving accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. In addition to sign up for individual affiliates program, you can also sign up for an affiliate and network that offers a ton of different affiliates in one place. That way, you can see what works and what doesn't work over time. If you are looking for inspiration, my friend Michael Scorader, Gartner of the website Making Sense of Sense, has become the expert on all the things affiliates marketing. Michael earns more than $1 million per month from her blog, and the bulk of her income comes from affiliate sales. Michael has had so much success with affiliate marketing that she even has her own course called Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing. While Michael works with a ton of affiliates in the financial service industry, one of her biggest affiliates is a blog hosting company called Host. This just goes to show that you can make money with nearly any affiliate marketing or product if you know your audience and build up enough traffic to create sales. Number 3, consulting. Another way to make money online is via consulting. If you are an expert in any field, you could potentially find people willing to pay you to consult them on their personal or business goals. You might think you are not important enough to consult for a few companies, but you could be surprised at the types of expertise people will pay for you. My colleague Robert Farooq of the College Investor is a good example of someone who consulted online on the side in an unlikely industry. Robert told me that after he had been blogging for a few years, a couple of brands reached out to him to ask him for help with social media and online marketing. Robert said he did an average of 4 to 6 of these gigs per year for a while, depending on his schedule and the work involved. The best part is he charged a flat rate that usually worked out to around $100 per hour. And remember, this was pay he was earning to advise people on the best ways to use social media tools like Facebook and Pinterest to grow their brands. If you want to start consulting but aren't sure what steps to take next, you can also set up a free account through Clarity FM. This website lets anyone who wants to offer consulting set up a free profile. Once your profile is set up, people will find you and book a session you will get paid for.